The best breakfasts aren't just delicious, they also give you an energy boost to kickstart your day. You're looking at tasty, filling, high-protein breakfast ideas that will tick both boxes. Carlyn Call joins me sharing 6 easy protein-packed breakfast ideas. It's great to have you, Carlyn. Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for having me.
We were just having this conversation, this very chat at my house, thinking, how can we pack in more to breakfast so the hangry doesn't set in pre-lunch?
Exactly.
And you know those kids specifically are getting sent off with a full stomach.
Exactly. So I have really easy tips. Do you want me to tell you?
I'm ready.
Okay, so the easiest thing to do is just do your typical breakfast that you do, like a smoothie or yogurt, French toast, pancakes, whatever, and throw some protein powder in it. That's it.
Just a little sprinkle.
Or a scoop, depending on what it is.
Or a big sprinkle, and you've upped the protein source in any meal.
Exactly, because a lot of our breakfasts are carb-based, which is fine, but that spikes our sugar really high and can drop it really low. And so for kids, like, they get excited in the classroom and antsy, and then they crash and are exhausted. So if you add protein, it actually helps keep those blood sugar levels balanced.
We sometimes hear, women say, oh, certain protein powders are chalky, they change the texture or the taste of my meal. How can we combat that?
You have to find a good one.
Yeah.
So that's actually why I made protein powder, because I couldn't find one that I liked that had ingredients that I wanted. Because I wanted protein powder just made with real food. So nothing artificial, just food that nourished my body, the kids' bodies.
Right.
I have lots of kids, so I wanted to feed them something good, but it needed to taste good. Because if kids are gonna eat it, they don't want the chalkiness, they don't want the aftertaste.
Sure, we don't either.
No, so you gotta find a good one.
Okay, what could we put that in that would sustain us through the day?
So a really easy thing is chia seed pudding.
Okay.
So chia seed pudding sounds extravagant or something, but it's really not.
I've heard of this, and it sounds very elaborate.
Yes, it does.
And a little daunting.
So all it is a 3/4 cup of milk.
Any milk?
Any milk, so you can do nut milk, regular milk, whatever. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, that's gonna like plump it up and give it the pudding.
Okay.
And then a scoop of any of the protein powders. And my kids love the Snickerdoodle protein powder in it.
Oh, Snickerdoodle, that seems like a lot. No?
Well,
yes?
it's just because it's whole food sources. It's made with like chia seed protein, pumpkin seed protein, pea protein, lots of different things in there.
Stuff.
Collagen, exactly. And a little bit of syrup to sweeten it, and then you just mix it around and put it in your fridge overnight, and in the morning you've got chia seed pudding ready to go.
Okay, it's a smooth texture, not lumpy.
Right, it will be, and the chia seeds plump it up to make it that pudding texture.
Okay, I'm gonna try that.
And
Thanks for breaking it down and making it easy. Idea number 2, what are we reaching for?
And so this, a lot of people love yogurt with like granola or berries on top.
Yes.
And so just add a scoop of protein. We put vanilla in it. And you don't actually even know that there's protein powder in there, but you get 22 more grams of protein, which is so good for the kids.
So the vanilla
or
protein, sure. The vanilla protein just becomes part of the yogurt, part of the mixture.
You can't even like hardly see it in that yogurt down there.
Okay, all right, what else?
A lot of people love to do smoothies in the morning
We
just
do at
to
our
get,
house.
the fruits and vegetables in. And so why not add some protein to it? And so this one actually is a tropical paradise, so it has like a pineapple taste to it. So I throw it in with the pineapple and an orange and a lemon.
Again, enhancing the citrus that's already happening in that blender. All right, next up.
So pancakes or waffles. This is the easiest one to put them in. The kids love it. It gives the pancakes such a yummy taste, especially with this pumpkin spice. Oh, it's so good. I can't even tell you.
We just cracked open the pumpkin chocolate chip bread at our house. I love that we're saying pumpkin spice and we're there. We're there. All right, waffles, pancakes, same idea.
And then French toast. So, you make your egg batter right here with your milk and vanilla, whatever you want in your French toast mixture. Put the bread and put your protein in, a scoop of protein. So this has a scoop of protein in it. You would never know. Put the bread in it and put it on your griddle, and then you've got your French toast.
It feels like the most satisfying cheat as a mom, too, to know that I'm sending them out the door with a little bit of extra. And last but not least
is oatmeal. So if you're gonna just make oatmeal on the stove, after it boils, add in a scoop of protein on top with like even a scoop of chia seeds, banana, anything like that. So it's your typical meals. It's not making some new like kale and sardine healthy thing, it's making what your kids like and just adding a scoop of protein in there to help them feel fuller throughout the day and keep those blood sugar levels balanced.
Please tell me that's not really a thing, kale and sardines. Say
well,
no.
that's the like typical thing you hear when someone's trying to live a healthy lifestyle.
Okay, where can we get your protein powder?
So you can get it on my website at justingredients.us, and a lot of local stores are now selling it. So places like Good Earth, Harmon's, Redmond store, things like that.
Good for you. Thanks for sharing the ideas and boosting our breakfast flavor at the same time. Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.